Hello student, today we are going to discuss the important point of the group 16 elements. Okay, what are the important point of group 16 element student? So if you talk about the element comprisation of group 16, so oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium constitute group 16 element. Okay, so how you can memorize student? Old style say typo. Okay, old style say typo. This is the how you can memorize student. That is O for old, S for styles, SE for that is say, TI means typo, P for polonium, old styles typo, that is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Now they are saying these are the collectively known as the chalcogens ore forming element. Okay, group 16s are known as chalcogen. Their general valence cell electronic configuration is NS2 NP4. NS2 NP4. Like if you talk about the oxygen student, so you can say the oxygen is 8, so 1s2 2s2 2p4. If you talk about sulfur student, that is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 and 3p4. So you will find that is every year that is s2p4 is there. So this is what the general electronic configuration. Now that is the next point which you are talking about, that is atomic and ionic radii. Increasing down the group while ionization enthalpy and electronegativity decreases with increase in the atomic number. Because of the compact nature of oxygen atom, it has a less negative electron gain enthalpy than the sulfur. However, from the sulfur onward, the value of again become less negative up to polonium. So what they are saying is student, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, tellurium and polonium. That is, if you are going, that is atomic radii increases. Okay, atomic radii, what is happening is student, atomic radii increases. So they are saying that is IE decreases, IE decreases. Okay, and similarly electronegativity also decreases because these values are the inversely proportional to that is atomic size, right student? Next point, when you talk about student, the element of group 16 show a number of oxidation state, oxygen so -2 oxidation state, except in case of OF2, that is +2, O2F2 +1 and H2O2 -1. Other element of these exhibit group exhibit +4 +2 +4 +6 oxidation state, but +4 and +6 are common. The stability of +6 oxidation state decreases and +4 oxidation state increases down the group due to inert pair effect. So dear student, if you talk about the oxygen, so oxygen is having -2 in all the element. In some element like H2O2, it is having the -1. If you talk about OF2, so OF2 it is having that is +2. And if you talk about O2F2, O2F2, so it is having the +1 oxidation state student. So this is all about oxidation state of the oxygen. So OF2 is +2. Now student, what we are going to think about the other element, oxidation state of the other element is that is +2 and +4 and +6. This is the three other oxidation state are there. When you are going down to the group, down the group, that is +6 stability decreases student, because decrease because inert pair effect student. What will happen, that is the giving what will happen, that is ns2 electron do not take part in the oxidation state ns2. So only the +2 +4 is available, while that is +4 stability increases. Okay, that is also the reason is same student, that is inert paired effect. Okay, due to inert pair effect, this is our required answer. Now let us have a look over the next point student. What are the next point? The element, okay, what they are saying, the element of group 16 show a number of oxidation state. Oxygen show -2 oxidation state, except in case of OF2, that is +2, O2F2 +1 and H2O2 -1. Other element of this group exhibit +2 +4 and +3 oxidation state, but +4 and +6 are common. The stability of +6 oxidation state decreases and +4 oxidation state increases down the group due to inert pair effect. Okay, this already over student. Next point, see all these elements from M to M, H2M type of hydride Okay, acidic, no, type I, acidic character and reducing character of hydride increases from H2S to H2Te. Bond dissociation is selfie, thermal stability, and HMH angle decreases down the group. Boiling point increases from H2S to H2Te. H2O has extraordinary high boiling point due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. H2O does not possess a reducing properties. So, dear student, they are saying that is if you talk about the hydride, so H2O, H2S, H2Se, H2Te, H2PO, these are the hydrides. They are saying if you are going down the group, so reducing properties increases, student. Reducing property increases. Why student property increases? Because tendency to grip H ion, okay, bond enthalpy will decrease, so easily it will give the H plus ion. Okay. Next point, if you talk about student after the this, so what is the next point? That is the boiling point also increases down the group. Okay, increases, but H2O is exceptionally very high, exceptionally very high, exceptionally very high. Okay, so this is what the point is. Next point, when you talk about stone, these elements form MO2 and MO3 type of oxide like SO2, TiO2 is an oxidizing agent. Both type of oxides are acidic in nature. Because of these are the non-metal oxides, so they are acidic in nature. These elements form MX2, MX4 and MX6 type of halide. All hexafluoride are the gaseous and octahedral in shape. SF6 is exceptionally stable for the steric region. MX4 like SF4, SEF4 etc. type halides have sp3d hybridization and have trigonal bipyramidal structure in which one of the equatorial position is occupied by a lone pair of electron, that is seesaw shape. Dihalides are sp3 hybridized have tetrahedral shape. The first compound of this group is the oxygen is there. So O2 and sulfur, O2 dioxygen, sulfur in vapor state S2 are the paramagnetic. So O2 and S2 are the paramagnetic in the vapor state. Ozone is the allotropic form of oxygen due to the ease with which liberate atoms of the nascent oxygen. It acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. So O3, what is that is, it is giving the nascent oxygen plus O2. So that this is the nascent oxygen is powerful. What is this, student? Powerful oxidizing agent. This is the powerful oxidizing agent. Okay, this is powerful oxidizing agent. Next one, the two oxygen bond length in O3 molecule is identical and the molecule is angular. They are saying the two oxygen bond is length in O3 molecule are identical and the molecule is angular. So if you can see, this is what is the structure of the ozone, and this is also resonating structure of ozone. So final structure if you find, that is O, here is O, this is also O, and this is having the resonance structure. So both bond is having what, student? The equal because of resonance, and lone because of lone pair electron, that is what it is, the bend shape. Next one is there, both rhombic and monoclinic sulfur have S8 molecule. The S8 ring in both the form is puckered and has crown shape. In cyclo S6, this ring adopts the chair form. SO2 is produced as a byproduct of the roasting of the sulfide ore. It behaves as a reducing agent when moist. The two SO bond in SO2 molecule are equal due to two resonating structure. SO2 molecule is angular. Now the next compound is the sulfuric acid. It is manufactured by the contact process. It forms two series of salt, normal sulfates, and that is normal sulfate and acid sulfates. The larger value of Ka indicate that the H2SO4 is largely dissociate into H plus and HS4 minus ion, and greater value of Ka, Ka, the stronger is the acid. So it is the first step is SO2 is converting into SO3 with the help of vanadium pentoxide. SO3 dissolved in the H2SO4, it is giving oleum. Okay, H2S2O7. Concentrated H2SO4 act as a strong dehydrating agent. It removes the water from organic compound also. Next one is dry oxygen. It is prepared by the potassium chlorate on reaction in the presence of MnO2 catalyst. It is giving 2 KCl and 3 O2. 2 PbO2, it is also giving PbO plus O2. 2 H2O2 also giving O2, and SO2 on reaction with O2 it will give, that is SO3 in the presence of V2O3 catalyst. Ozone is prepared by the oxygen. 3 mole of the O2 get converted into 2 mole of O3. PbS plus 4O3, it is giving PbSO4 plus O2, and 2I plus H2O plus O3, 2OH minus plus I2 plus O2. Okay. Next point, that is for the sulfur dioxide, FeS2 plus 11O2, it is giving Fe2O3 plus 8SO2, SO2 plus H2O, H2SO3, COO plus H2O, CaOH whole twice, NaOH plus SO2, Na2SO3 plus H2O. Na2SO3 plus H2O plus SO2, 2NaHSO3, SO2 plus Cl2, SO2Cl2, 2SO2 plus O2, this was 2SO3, Fe3 plus SO2 plus 2H2O, Fe2 plus SO2, SO4 2 minus 4H plus, SO2 plus MnO4 minus plus 2H2O, it will give the 5 mole of SO4 2 minus 4S plus and 2Mn2 plus. Okay. Next one is the sulfuric acid. The chemical properties of sulfuric acid, it is acting as a dehydrating agent. From the sugar it is removing the water. And copper plus H2SO4, it is copper sulfate. Sulfur plus H2SO4, sulfur dioxide. Carbon plus SO4, it is carbon dioxide. So it is acting as a oxidizing agent. So this is all about the introduction of the sulfuric acid and group 16 element student. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.